Good evening, students. We are live now. Hi, Sami. Is my audio and video clear? First one to join, yes. Is my audio and video clear? Okay, thanks for confirming. So, Nikhil, Ritu, and Fatah has also joined. Hello, Vishal, Mokshit, Adarsh, Tanushri. I hope today's strength will be more because new topic we are going to start. Nikita. Okay. Nikita has also joined. I hope everyone is aware the class. Everyone like the stream. Yes. Just tell your friends to join fast so that we can just start the class. Only eight are there. As of now, only eight. The Shivani is not there. Yes, Saksham has joined. They will join slowly. Okay, Praveen has also come. So let's do one thing. Let's start. Good evening, Praveen. So let's start. They will be joining slowly, slowly. Yes. So today we are going to do. Yes, Shashank is also not there. Why Shashank is not there? Okay, I'm just going to start now. The solids we are going to do here. In solids, two types of solids, cube and cuboid. Cube and cuboid related questions we will do. So the name of the topic is solids and this is a part of mensuration. Mensuration means where we solve volume, solve volume and surface area related questions. So in-depth explanation I will not do. I will just give you the formulas and here you can see this is cube. Cube looks like this. You can see you might be aware also and this is cuboid. So these are three-dimensional solids. So here cube has 15 edges and edge length mostly we will be writing as a. This is edge length, the length of its side. So this is known as the edge length here. Cube will have edge length same, like the length of all the sides are same for cube, but for cuboid the three types of lengths are there. Length is there, then height is there. Length, height and width. Length, height and width or breadth you can say. So now this is how they look. So a few formulas are there. So formulas I'll tell you and also you can make a note of the formulas. So surface area of a cube. Surface area of cube means the area of the surface. So area of the surface means like this full part. So this you can see cube. So all full area. Area of all the six faces. It has six faces. So or six surfaces. So surface area of cube is 6a square where a is edge length of a cube. A is edge length of cube. Then surface area of cuboid. Surface area of cuboid is 2 times L into B. See here L is length, B is breadth and H is height. And H is height. So this is the formula of surface area of a cuboid. 2 into L into B plus B into H plus H into L. Surface area of 4 walls of a cube. See, 4 walls means when only the sides are included, top and bottom faces are not included. So 4a square, surface area 4 walls of a cuboid is 2h into L plus B. Volume of cube is a cube. Volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. So length of the diagonal of the cube. If one face I am showing corner to corner, when we join the line, this is known as diagonal. So length of diagonal of cube is root 3 times a, or root 3 into a. Length of the diagonal of a cuboid is square root of L square plus B square plus H square. So these are the formulas which we are going to use. So first of all, we will cover MCQs and assertion reason based questions. So let's start from the first question. I hope you have, either you can take screenshot or you can make a note of the formulas, because formulas are very important to do the questions. So let's do first question. You can solve the questions along with me. I'm going to start from MCQs. MCQs, if somewhere it is possible, if we can apply any shortcut, we can do so. We don't have to do full working out of MCQs. The first one, the volume of cube is 729. From previous slide, okay, just you can take screenshot of the formulas. Is it done? Shall we start with the questions? Done. Okay, let's start questions now. First one, what is given to us, we'll write, and what we have to find. So given thing is volume. Volume of a cube is given to us. Volume of cube, volume of cube is 729 meter cube. And what we have to find? Surface area. So surface area of cube we have to find. So just now I have shown you the formula for finding surface area. We'll use its formula. Formula of surface area is 6a square, where a is the edge length of cube. A is edge length of cube. So that means we need here a. In order to find the surface area of cube, yes, we need a here. So a we will find with the help of volume's formula. So volume cube we know. Volume formula is a cube. Volume formula is a cube. So Nikhil has already done the answer also. So a cube is equals to 729. So this cube we will just shift to other side. When cube I am shifting to other side, it will become cube root. So what is the cube root of 729? What's the cube root of 729? 9. So cubes you should know 1 to 20 at least you should know. 9 into 9 into 9 is 729. So edge length we found as 9 meter. Edge length is equals to 9 meter. So with the help of now A, this is edge length. With the help of this we can find now surface area. So surface area is 6a square. 6a square, we can just apply the formula. 6a square is equals to 6 into a. A is 9. 9 into 9. So 9 into 9 is 81. So 6 into 81. If you multiply, what you will get? 486. 486 centimeter square. See, unit of volume is cube and unit of surface area is square. So first option, so correct answer given by Nikhil, and Ritu has also given the answer. Yes, so is it clear? Anyone, any doubt? So one thing was given to us, that is volume. Another thing we had to find surface area. With the help of volume, we found the value of edge length. With the help of volume, we found the value of edge length, that means A, and this A we utilized to find the value of surface area of a cube. Ritu, one is wrong. What? Centimeter cube, it she has written, right? It's centimeter square. Unit of surface area is centimeter square. So I didn't notice. So if, regarding units, you have to be very clear. Cubic is volumes unit and square unit is for areas. Let's do now next question. Let's see what is given to us and what is there to find. The total surface area of a cube is given to us. Total surface area I'm just writing as TSA. So this is given to us. Total surface area of cube is 96 centimeter square and volume of cube we have to find. So what we have to find? Volume of cube. So again volume of cube. So this we have to find. Volume of cube we have to find. So volume of cube's formula is A cube. That means for finding volume we need the value of A. For finding volume we need the value of A. So what is the formula of total surface area of cube? Total surface area of cube. Okay, Saksham has already done C option. So total surface area of cube's formula you can tell me. I forgot what's the formula. Let's see who will tell the formula. 6a square, yes. So total surface area is nothing but the surface area only. Surface area of all the six faces, which is 6a square. We'll use this formula to find the value of again a. So first of all 6 will shift to this side. So a square is equals to 96 divided by 6, because here 6 is getting multiply. When we shift to other side it will get divided. When now we can do cancellation. So 6 table only we can do 36. 6 table we can do cancellation here. So this is 1, 6 into 1, 36, 6 into 6. So square when we shift to other side it will become square root. When square will shift to other side it will become square root. So square root is always positive as well as negative. Today I am out so cannot solve the questions. Okay Shivani. So A is equals to plus minus 16, but only positive value we will consider. Plus minus root 16, that is 4. Only positive value, because we are here dealing with areas, so those are always positive. So we found the value of A. Now here we can just substitute the value of A to find the volumes formula. So what is 4 cube? 4 cube is 4 into 4 into 4, which is equals to 64 centimeter cube. 64 centimeter cube. So Adarsh has also given the answer. C option. Sami has also given the answer. Option C. 64 centimeter cube. Let's do next question now. The length of the longest pole that can be, okay, this question we don't have to do because it involves different figure. Let's do this question. This is question number third. The lateral surface area of a cube is 256. See, lateral surface area is area of four walls. Lateral surface area means area of four walls. This is area of four walls. Lateral surface area. So this is given to us. So lateral surface area of cube is how much? 256 meter square. Volume of the cube we have to find. Volume of the cube is again, volume of the cube's formula is A cube. That means we have to find the value of A. So we'll make use of this formula, lateral surface area's formula of cube. So what is the, yes, so Shashank has also come. Okay, it's okay. 4a square, yes. So formula of lateral surface area is 4a square. So we'll just substitute the formula. With the help of this, we'll find the value of a. 4 will shift first of all to other side. So 256 by 4. Then a square is equals to, this we can do cancellation, 64. Then a's value is root 64. Root 64 means plus and minus, but only positive value will consider. So A is equals to positive 8 centimeter meter. Meter here. We found the value of A. Nikhil has already given option A. Let's see. So A's value, so for volume, Volume, we know the formula. The volume is equals to A cube, volume of cube. So A cube means 8 cube. So 8 cube is equals to 512 meter cube. Yes, so correct answer. Then Fatah has also given the answer. Adarsh and Ritu has also given the answer. C option is not the answer. It is A, 512 meter square, not C. Option A is the correct answer. Let's do next question. What is given to us in this question? The perimeter of one face of cube is 40 centimeter. Then the sum of the lengths of its edge. So perimeter, first of all, how many faces are there? In cube, how many faces are there? Because perimeter of one face of a cube is given to us. So how many faces are there in cube? Yes, so six faces are there. So six faces are there. That means what they have meant. So sum of length they have told us to find. Sum of length of all the edges. See, if cube is like this, cube is like this. So we have to find the sum of length of its edges. So all like it has how many edges? Total 12 edges are there if you count. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total how many edges are there? The faces are 6. So in cube how many edges are there? 250 centimeter already found. So in cube, how many edges are there and how we will find? So 12 are there, but how we will find 24? Why different answers? And what is perimeter? So perimeter of one face is given to us. Of one face, it is 40 centimeter. So edges are 12. Yes. So how you can see one face of a cube, how it looks like. You can just imagine this is one face of a cube. This is one face of a cube and it is square. Sum of all the borders we have to do, yes. So this is one face is what? One face. One face of a cube is square. So that means its perimeter is given to us and we know the formula of perimeter of square. This is nothing, one face means perimeter of square is given to us. Perimeter of square, because one face of a cube, it is a square only, so that is 40 centimeter, and we know perimeter's formula of square is 4 into side. 4 into side. So if you don't know, I'll just tell you perimeter of square is equals to 4 into the length of its side. So which is equals to 40 centimeter. So side we can find the side of cube, it will be 40 by 4. 40 by 4 is 10 centimeter. So this side 10 centimeter. So what is the sum of all the lengths now? D option. 240, 10, option D 240. See, if you add B option, you just see, I don't know how you are telling 240 multiply 40 into 6. 40 into 6, why we should multiply? Answer is 120. See, edge length you have to find directly. You can't say it has six faces or perimeter. You just multiply it with six. No, because see in this face also this edge is there, and in this face also this edge is there. So it will get double. One edge is getting repeated in two faces. So you cannot multiply 40 into 6 because the repetition of the edges is there. If I have edge AB, it is present in this face also and it is present in this face also. So first of all edge length we have to find, that means side of cube we have to find. So side of cube is 10. Now it has 12 edges. So when we multiply, yes, so now all the edges when you add, So directly you can do now sum of all the edges, sum of all edges. So 10 are there or 12 are there. So 12 into 10, which is equals to 120 centimeter. I hope this question is clear to everyone. Option B is the correct answer because many of you at starting you gave D option as the answer. Is this question clear? Or anyone any doubt in this one? Anyone any doubt? Yes. Let's do next question then. Next question, no doubt. Okay, let's do then next question. A cuboid container has the capacity. Capacity means volume. Capacity means capacity is volume. So if the word capacity is there, that means it's volume. So what is given to us? A cuboid container has capacity of 50 boxes. So volume of cuboid is given to us. Volume of cuboid is equals to, actually volume means I'm just writing it's actually 50 boxes. So volume's formula I know. Volume's formula I know, that is length into breadth into height. So this is equals to 50. This capacity is in terms of boxes it is given to us. Now what they have mentioned, if dimensions of all the containers are doubled. If dimensions means length, breadth and height. If dimensions of all the boxes are, if the dimensions of the container are doubled means what? Length is now becoming 2 times L, breadth is becoming 2B and height is becoming 2 times H. So doubled means twice. So then what will be its capacity? So again volume we have to find. Volume for second case also we have to find the volume when the dimensions are doubled. So let's see who will tell me the answer before me. So volume with the changed dimensions we have to find. Volume's formula we know, L into B into H. But answer is 100. See L now it has become 2L. B it has now become 2B. Shashank answer is wrong. H now it has become 2H. I hope you are understanding, dimensions are doubled. So that means now if I have to find the volume, so this L into B into H when I am applying the formula, this is the formula volume. So length's value is now 2L, breadth's value is now 2B and height's value is 2H. So now 2 we can multiply. 2 into 2 is 8. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8. 8 into L into B into H. Nikhil has given C option. Okay, let's see. So 8 into L into B into H. So I know here at the starting itself I found the value of L into B into H. So L into B into H value is 50. I'll just substitute this L into B into H with 50. So 8 into 50 is equals to 400. So correct answer given by Nikhil. Good. Is this question clear? Yes, 400 is the correct answer. Is it clear? Okay, let's do the next question. Next question. The number of planks of dimension. So planks means cuboids only. So cuboids we have to find that can be stored in a pit which is of this dimension. So that means one cuboidal type of box is there. In that we have to put small boxes. So this is the situation here. Like this, in one cube we have to put some small cuboidal boxes. So we have to find how many number of this type of small boxes can be kept. So for this type of questions, always remember whether this question comes in MCQs or in subjective type of questions. See, volume will remain same. The volume of this bigger one, volume, so here I'll write volume of the bigger one, volume of bigger like container, it will be equals to volume of suppose here n boxes are there. I don't know how many boxes are there. Volume of n boxes. So volumes will be equal. You can imagine it's you can imagine earlier also we have done this type of question. So inside this we are keeping small boxes. So that means both the volumes are same. So this concept we will apply here. We'll equate the volumes and find the value of the n. So volume of bigger container, volumes formula we know, length into breadth into height. So volume of n small boxes, that will be n into L into B into H, because n boxes are there, so that's why it will get one. This is volume of one box. It will get multiplied by n. So this is volume of one box. If you multiply it with n, you will get volume of n boxes. Now let's do the substitution. So length is, what is length for this one? See this dimensions, the pit's dimension here we have to write. So 16 into 12 into 4. This is equals to n into 4 into 50. And here you have to see the units are also different. Units are also different. One of the units are in meters and the other units are in centimeters. So what we can do, all the meters also let's convert to centimeter. Let's convert meter also to centimeter, because conversion of meter to centimeter it's very simple. We can just, yes, we have to convert the units. Either, because meter to centimeter is very easy, so let's convert all whichever units are in meter, let's convert them to centimeter. So here also 200. Okay, she found the. So here I am just converting 16 meter. Meter into centimeter means we just can multiply with 100. So this 16 meter I am converting, every meter unit I am just converting to centimeter, because 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Bigger to smaller, if we convert with multiplication we can do. Into 12 into 100 into 4 into 100. So all the meter units I am just converting to centimeter. Now here 4 meter. 4 meter I'll just write as 4 into 100. 4 into 100. Now 50 and 20, they are already in centimeters. So you can write the units. So all are in centimeter now. So n we have to find. Now don't do any multiplication. So in mensuration we'll try to do cancellation as much as it's possible. Now these all the terms I'll just shift to other side, because we have to find the value of n. So n will keep on this side. These all terms will shift to other side. These terms are getting multiplied. When we shift them to other side, they'll get divided by this number. So 16 into 100 into 12 into 100. So all the units I converted to centimeter. So you can write centimeter. I don't have here space. That's why I'm not writing. So altogether I'll write here centimeter cube, and 4 into 100 into 50 into 20. Here also I'll write together centimeter cube. So centimeter cube and centimeter cube will get cancelled. 100 and 100 will get cancelled. So cancellation we can do. Answer is 1920. Okay, we'll see. So here 10 will get cancelled with this one. 10 from here. 2 into 1. 2 into 2. 4 into 25. 4 into 25 is 100. So other than that, what else we can cancel? 5 into 1. 5 into 5. So now we are left with, I'll just write the remaining things. 16 into 5 into 12 into 2 is equals to n. So just multiply, the numbers are very big. Small boxes can be stored. Is the calculation correct? 5 into 2 is 10. So 16 into 12 you can multiply. 16 into 12. 16 into 12. 8. So it is 18816 1820 19. What is the calculation? I think 1920. Are you all getting this one only? Yes. 1920. 1920 is the correct answer. B option. 192 into 10 also you can multiply. Yes. So 1920 is the correct answer of this one. Anyone, any doubt in this question? Anyone, any doubt? Explain again. Okay. Full question or only cancellation part? Okay, I'll just explain this question again. See, whenever, first of all, what is given to us? Just try to understand the situation. Here, one box is there. In bigger box is not actually, it's a pit. So pit is cuboidal in shape because its length, breadth, and height is given to us. In that pit, we have to keep small, small cuboidal boxes. So they are telling how many such boxes can be kept. So these are small boxes. So you can imagine if these number of boxes will occupy the entire space present in the bigger box. So that means the capacity of both should be same. The capacity of should be both should be same. So volume of the bigger container in these type of things is equals to the volume of n boxes. Always this thing is like recasting. When I explained in class also, I told something is changing of shape. So this is concept is like that only, because this bigger container's volume, it will be equals to volume of n boxes, then only the n boxes they are going to get fit into that space. So volumes will just equate. Volume formula we know, length into breadth into height. But for this one, because here we are finding volume of n boxes, because we don't know how many boxes are there. So volume of n boxes will be what? Volume of one box into n, or n into volume of one box. So n into L into B into H. Now I just substituted. So length value is given to us 16 meter. So I just converted, also units were not same. So here meter, here centimeter, centimeter, again here these units are meter. So wherever meter is there, meter I converted to centimeter. So this is the pit in which we are keeping those smaller boxes. Number of planks means boxes only. So here I have this substituted. So length is 16 into 100. Why I wrote 100? Because 16 meter is given to us. I just converted 16 into centimeter. So it became 16 into 100 centimeter. Same way, 12 I converted. Then 4 also I converted. Here only 4 is given to us in meters, so 4 I converted to centimeter by multiplying it with 100. 50 is already in centimeter and 20 is already in centimeter. Now n we have to find. So other than n, everything will, let's shift to other side. So here it's getting divided, because this side they are getting multiplied. So 16 into 100 into 12 into 100 into 4 into 100. So everything we don't multiply. First of all, we'll do cancellation. So 4 into 100 into 50 into 20 is equals to n. Now cancellation we can do. So 100, one of the 100 and one of the 100 will get cancelled. 4 and 4 will also get cancelled. So here two zeros and these two zeros I can cancel. Again 5 into 2 is 10. 5 into 2 is 10. So with this 5 and 2, I can cancel this 1 0. So now what I am left with, 16 into 10 into 12. This is equals to n. When you multiply this, you will get 1920 as the answer. So basically what you have to remember, you just have to compare the volumes whenever this type of situation comes. I'm multiplying and cancelling. I'm getting, you don't multiply and cancel because so many numbers are there. First of all, you do cancellation wherever cancellation is possible. So cancellation, how I didn't see this 4 into 100 directly we can cancel 4 into 100. These will get cancelled. And here 5 into 2 we know this will, what it will become, 15 to 20 it will become 1000 only. So here also these three zeros we can cancel. So now do easy cancellations. So now what we are left with, 16 into 10 into 12. And prefer to do cancellation in mensuration, because first of all two reasons are there. Whenever you are doing cancellation, first of all calculations will become very easy and there are less chances of doing mistakes, because big multiplication when you do, there is a chance of doing it wrong. Okay, so let's do next question now. Next question is assertion reason type of question. You can see the question. So option, first of all I'll tell you options, I just forgot to paste it here. So first option is A is true, A is true and R is false. R is false. The options will be provided to you. A is true, R is false. So R is true and A is false. R is reason and A is assertion. So two statements are given to us. So third option, both A and R are correct, are true. And the fourth option, both A and R are false. So this type of options will be provided. So we have to just see which one is correct. So individually we will check the statements. So volume of a cuboid having length, breadth and diagonal. So they are telling what is given to us in this one. Volume's value is given to us. Volume is 144 meter cube. Assertion is false. Okay, let's check. Volume of a cuboid having length, breadth and diagonal. So length is how much? 4 meter. Breadth is 13 meter. And length of diagonal. Diagonal length is given to us. I'm just writing it as D. So D is 13 meter. See, we have to check randomly. We cannot check. First of all, volume is given to us. We have to find volume by applying the formula L into B into H. We have to check L into B into H. We have to, reason is true, and assertion also we have to simplify and then only we can realize. See here height is not given to us. Height is not given to us. We will find height. We'll find height and then we will check whether the given volume is correct or not. Okay, so what is the formula? Because length of diagonal is given to us. I hope you remember at the starting I gave the formula. What is the length of diagonal? Anyone remembers the formula of length of diagonal? Because here diagonal is given to us. I forgot to simplify. It's okay. What is the formula? They have given only. Let's apply that one formula only. In reason they have mentioned. So diagonal is square root of L square plus B square plus H square. So reason is correct because length of diagonal's formula is this only. So diagonal is equals to L square plus B square plus H square. So diagonal's value is given to us as 13. I'll shift square root to other side. If I shift square root to other side, it will become square. If I shift square root to other side, it will become square. Now L's value is given to us as 4. So 4 square. B's value is given to us as, B is also 13. No, B is 3. This B is 3. And height is not given to us, that I'll be writing as h square only. So now I'll just simplify here. So 13 square is 169. The square of 13 is 169 is equals to 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9 plus h square. So 169 is equals to 16 plus 9 is 25, 25 plus h square. Let's shift 25 to other side. So 169 minus 25, because plus 25 when we shift it will become minus. So this is 144. Square also when you shift to other side it will become square root. Square root is again plus minus, but only positive value we will consider. So height is equals to 12 meter. So correct answer given by Nikhil and Shashank. So height's value we found 12 meter, but still we have to check the volume. Till here what we have done I just explained. In this first part assertion statement, dimensions of length is given to us. Length is 4 meter, breadth is 3 meter, and length of diagonal is given to us as 13 meter. And they're telling volume is 144 meter cube. Is this true or false? So what we did, we made use of diagonal formula. Diagonal's length is square root of L square plus B square plus H square. We made use of this formula and found the length, find the height. Height's value we found as 12 meter. Now height's value 12 meter we are finding. Let's check the value of volume. So what is the value of volume we'll get? So volume is equals to L into B into H. So L is given to us as 4, B is 3, and height we found as 12. So 4 into 3 is 12. Again 12 into 12 is 144 meter cube. Yes. So assertion is also true. See the correct volume we are getting. Assertion is also true because after finding volume, we got to know the volume is same as it is given to us. Given volume is also 144. They are telling if the dimensions are this, then volume is 144 meter cube. Yes, it is 144 only. So that means this is also true. Assertion is also true. Reason is also true. So that means which option is the correct option? Confusion. What confusion? So which option is correct? Once again, I'll explain. Third option, both A and R are true. I'll just explain once again if anyone has any confusion. See, what is the assertion statement? It's like a proof type of statement. They have mentioned this thing. They have mentioned volume of a cuboid, volume of the cuboid whose length is 3 meter, breadth is, three- uh, length is 4 meter, breadth is 3 meter, and length of diagonal is 13 meter. So if this cuboid is there, its volume is how much? 144 meter cube. So that's what they have given to us. So if the cuboid is of these dimensions, then the volume of the cuboid is 144 meter cube. So we just found the volume. First of all, for finding the volume, we need height because volume's formula is L into B into H. H is not given to us, but diagonal is given to us. So diagonal's formula I applied and found H. So diagonal's formula is this. So after finding diagonal, see diagonal fully, I found the diagonals after using this formula. We found the value of height as 12. We found the value of height as 12 meter, and this you have already done. So here when I'm finding the volume by using this formula, I'm seeing this is 4 into 3 into 12. When I'm doing these calculations, I am getting the same answer as the answer given to us in the question. That's why this assertion statement is true. And reason is also true because the length of diagonals formula given is correct only. Is this question clear now? So both the statements we have to simplify if any possibility is there. So first statement we had to simplify here. Second is the direct statement. We know that this is true only. So is it clear now? Okay, let's do next question. See here we have finished doing MCQs, and so this much only MCQs and assertion based question. Now subjective type questions are there. Let's start those questions. So first question you can see on my screen. Subjective type of question means the questions are of either 3 marks or 4 marks, so you have to write properly each and everything. Then only you'll get full marks in these questions. So, what is given to us? Let's do the volume of a rectangular solid. So, rectangular solid means what? Rectangular solid is cuboid. So, what is rectangular solid? Cuboid. So, volume of cuboid is given to us. I'll write volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid is equals to 3600 centimeter cube. If it's 20 centimeter long and 9 centimeter high, long means length is given to us. How much is the length? 20 centimeter and 9 centimeter high. So height is also given to us 9 centimeter. We have to find its width. Width means breadth we have to find. So very simple question. Height is 20. What? Width is 20. Width is 20. Okay, let's see. So this is very simple question. Volume is given to us. We will apply the formula of volume. So we know volume is length into breadth into height. So I am just going to write the formula. Value is already given to us. So substitutions we can do 20 into B we don't have, height we have, height is 9. So this is equals to 3600 centimeter cube. Here centimeter and here also centimeter. Units are same. So B will write on this side. Don't do multiplication. Cancellation we have to do wherever it's possible. So 20 and 9 let's shift to other side. When other side we are shifting these two. Both of them they will get divided because here they are getting multiplied. So 20 into 9 centimeter and this is also centimeter. 2 centimeters will get cancelled. So 910 I'm cancelling. So 9 into 9 into 40 and 2 into 20. So B is equals to 20 centimeter. Yes. So B is equals to 20 centimeters. So 20 is the answer. So width of the solid is 20 centimeter. So very simple question it was. You all have found the answer. Sami, Nikhil and Adarsh has also found the answer. Let's do next question now. So in these questions, it's very important to write the formulas wherever whichever formula you are using. Like you have seen in previous question also I used volumes formulas and I have written also. Let's see in this one what is given to us. Question number 2 we are going to do. If anyone has any doubt, you can tell me. Total surface area of a cube. Total surface area means cube surface area is given to us. So I'll write it. This type of question we did in MCQs also. Total surface area of cube is 384 centimeter square. We have to find its volume. The volume we have to find. Volume's formula is A cube. That means A's value we have to find. We'll make use of the formula of total surface area of cube. So what is the formula of total surface area of cube? We'll use that and find the value of A. A is edge length. Here write also A is what? A is edge length of cube. Volume is 513. Okay, first of all tell me the formula of total surface area of cube. Formula of total surface area of cube. Volume you have already found 512. Formula of total surface area 6a square. Yes, Sami has given the answer. 6a square is equals to 384. So 6 first of all will shift to other side. It will get divided because here it's getting multiplied. So what is the value of a we will get? A square is equal to here we can cancel 6 into 6 36, 6 into 4 24. So a square is equal to 64 square. When we shift to other side it will become square root. So 64 the square root, so plus and minus, but only positive value we have to consider because we are dealing with the sides cannot be negative. So a edge length is equals to 8. So volume we have to find now. So volume's formula we know. Volume of cube is equals to volume of cube is equals to A cube. So 8 cube is equals to 512 centimeter cube. Yes, so it is 512 centimeter cube. And for this chapter, it's better to learn at least cubes 1 to 30 and cubes 1 to 20 and squares 1 to 30. Calculations will be easy if you know their values. So we have done two questions. Let's do the third one now. Third question you can see on my screen. The square of the square on the diagonal of a cube has an area of 192 centimeter. Calculate the side of cube and total surface of area. So this question is little different compared to previous two questions. So first of all, let's understand what is given to us. So here one cube is there. This is the cube. This is the cube, and on this cube's diagonal, suppose this is the diagonal. This is the diagonal. So on the diagonal of the cube, we have one square. So with yellow color I have drawn cube, and with white color is the square. And now where square is present? Square is present on the diagonal of the cube. Like diagonal of the cube is actually the side of the square. Is the question clear what is given to us? Is the question clear? Like one cube is there. On cube's diagonal we have the square. That means diagonal of, here I'll write also, that means diagonal of cube is equals to what? Diagonal of cube is actually side of square. Side of square. So this concept you have to understand here. Yes, similar question we have done in class also. So diagonal cube here it is equals to side of the square. Now we can do first of all, here area is given to us. The square, so square on the diagonal, its area is given to us. This square's area is given to us. So I'll just write here. So few assumptions we have to do. I'll do that. So square's side I'll just assume as x. Side of square I am just assuming as x, or here itself I can write x centimeter. And cube I can assume as cube. So this is diagonal. So diagonal or side of square I have assumed as x centimeter, and edge length of cube. Edge length of cube is equals to a. So x I have assumed as the side of square, and cube side I have assumed as a. Now area of square is given to us. So area of square is equals to 192 centimeter. 192 centimeter square. What is the formula of area of square? Because here we have to use the formula of area of square. So what is the formula of area of square? Am I audible? Side square, yes. Video is lagging. 1 second, I'll check. Is it fine now? Network issue, but I think it's fine now. Video paused. I think it's fine now. Just join once again. Is it for everyone? It's fine. Okay, let's do. So area of squares formula, we know area of square is side square. So side I have just assumed as x. So I have assumed side as x. So x square is what? 192. So square when we shift to other side it will become square root. So x value is equals to 192. So x is equals to what is the square root of 192? What's the square root of 192? It's happening for everyone. Now it's clear or it's not clear? Is it fine now? No. I think it should be fine. Okay, no problem. If it is it's not clear this question, then we will do it in tomorrow's class. From starting, I'll just do this question in tomorrow's class. If it's clear now, it's fine. Okay. If it is clear, okay, tell me the value of square root of 192. It's 8 root 3. 8 root 3 Saksham has given the answer. So value of x we have found as 8 root 3 centimeters. So you can do prime factorization of 192. So you will get its answer. So prime factorization I hope everyone knows. It's fine, it's fine. Okay, I'm just doing this question. So diagonal and square of side I assumed as x. Edge length I assumed as a. Area of square is given to us 192 centimeter square. So area of square's formula is x square. So x square because side of square I assumed as x. So x square is equals to 192. When I shifted square to other side it became square root. So square root 192 you can simplify by prime factorization. So 2 into 9 is 18. 96. 2 into 48. 2 into 1 proper value we cannot find in terms of root we can find. Okay, so don't calculate in decimals because we don't need it in decimals. You just do prime factorization. So 24, then 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3. So pairs you can take out of the root. So 3 pairs of 2 are there. So 2 into 2 into 2, one root will be inside the root. So 8 root 3 is the value. 8 root 3 we found the value of what? We found the value of the side of square which is also known as diagonal of the cube. 8 root 3. I hope till here it is clear. So now what we will do, we have to find the side of the cube. Cube side we have to find. So sides cube we'll find with the help of diagonal. So diagonal of cube we found as 8 root 3. But its formula also we know. Formula, what is the formula of diagonal of cube? I gave you the formula, diagonal of cube's formula. What's the formula of diagonal of cube? It is a into root 3. A into root 3 is equals to 8 root 3. So root 3 let's shift to other side. So a is equals to 8 root 3 by root 3 because root 3 will get divided. So root 3 and root 3 will get cancelled. A's value I'll get 8 centimeter. A is what? A is the edge length. So this we found as 8 centimeter. Yes. And total surface area of the cube we have to find. Total surface area is a direct formula we can apply. Total surface area. So TSA of cube is what? 6a square. So 6 into 8 into 8. So we can multiply 6 into 64. So what is the final answer? This is second part, total surface area. What is the answer of this one? 512. 512, how it is? It's not 8 cube. It total surface area we are finding. We are not finding the volume. So 384 Shashank has given. Is it correct? Centimeter square. Yes, so total surface area is 384 centimeter square. We want others also to give the answer so that we can check whether everyone is getting same answer or not. 384. Okay, so Divya has also given the answer. Nikhil. Okay. So 384 centimeter square is the answer of the total surface area of the cube. Three questions we have done of this chapter. I hope you have understood. So very small, I think one more class only it requires and this chapter will be completed. Overall revision of this chapter will be completed. Today, three questions and some MCQs and assertion reason based questions we did. 384 is correct only. Okay, Sami. So if anyone has any doubt, you can tell me. I'll explain or else you can start leaving clear. Okay, so shall I end the class then? Okay, then bye everyone. Good night. No doubts. Hey, bye.